Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So in today's video I am going to talk about the International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes, which is ICSID. So as we all know that ICSID is an international arbitration institution established in 1966 for legal dispute resolution and conciliation between international investors and states. So ICSID is a part of and is funded by the World Bank Group, which is headquartered in Washington DC in the United States. It is an anonymous multilateral specialized institution to encourage international flow of investment and to mitigate non-commercial risk by a treaty drafted by the International Bank of Reconstruction and Development, which is the hybrid, and it has the executive director and signed by the member countries. As of May 2, 2016, and 153 contracting member states agreed to enforce and uphold the arbitral award in accordance with the ICSID Convention. So now talking about the history, in the 1950s and the 1960s, the Organization of European Economic Cooperation, now it is called as Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, had made several attempts to create a framework to protect international investments, but its efforts were not so suitable. So now talking about the dispute settlement or the dispute settled. So like for example, the Indonesian government was sued in June 2012 by the London-based mining company, that is Churchill Mining, after the local government revoked the concessions rights held by the local company in which the firm had invested. The government is countering the Churchill case, claiming that Churchill did not have the correct way of mining licenses. In October 2012, an ICSID tribunal awarded a judgment of $1.8 billion for Occidental Petroleum against the government of Ecuador. Additionally, Ecuador has to pay $589 million in backdated compound interest and half the cost of the tribunal, making its total penalty around $2.4 billion. So membership, now talking about the membership, the ICSID's 163 member states have signed the Center's convention, include 162 United States member plus the Kosovo, and it has Bolivia and Venezuela as part of it also. So now I'm just going to wind up this video, and if you guys have any doubts regarding this topic, you can just ping in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you and have a nice day.